హలో వ్యూవర్స్, మొదటిసారిగా మీరు మా వీడియోస్ని చూస్తున్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am discussing about very important problems for 2 marks in trigonometry chapter. Okay, they are depending on the identity rules. Already you know in previous class identity rules. So depending on identity rules I am telling some problems. Look at the board, all of you. First one, if tan x is equal to 5 by 12, then find secant x. So first you have to think what identity rule we have to use here. If you observe the second identity rule, then based on these two we get one formula or one identity rule. What is that? Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So this I am rewriting. Secant square x as it is I am writing, minus tan square x I am transferring to left side to right side. 1 plus tan square x. Already it is given tan x value. How much is given? 5 by 12. That value you have to substitute here. 5 by 12 whole square. Then you will get secant square x is equal to 1 plus 5 square. 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. After taking off LCM, then it will be formed as 144 1 ja 144, 144 la 144 one time goes, so 1 into 25 is 25. Then in numerator 144 plus 25 169 by 144. This I am writing in square notation form. 169 you have to write it as 13 square. 144 you have to write it as 12 square. For both I am keeping whole square, because 13 square by 12 square can write it as 13 by 12 whole square. Square and square will be cancelled. Then finally secant x is equal to how much you got? 13 by 12. So by using of the second rule we found the value of secant x. Secant x value is 13 by 12. Okay. Similarly, okay, now we have to see the second problem. Here already is given, if cosecant theta is equal to 25 by 7, then find cot theta. Without drawing of the triangle I am saying, only I am taking by identities I am solving the problems. Cosecant cot, relation between cosecant cos is, identity rule is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This minus cot square theta I am taking from left side to right side. Then cot square theta is equal to plus 1 you have to transpose, cosec square theta minus 1. Cot square theta is equal to, cosec theta value already is given, 25 by 7. 25 by 7 whole square minus 1. 25 is 625. 7 square, 7 whole square is 49 minus 1. Then take LCM. LCM is 49. 625, 49 1 the 49. 625 minus 49, 576 by 49. This is exactly equal to cot square theta is equal to 576 you have to write it as 24 whole square, 49 you have to write it as 7 whole square. So I am writing for both, I am keeping whole square form, 24 by 7 whole square. Square and square get cancelled. Cot theta is equal to 24 by 7. Okay, this is the second problem. Next, I am going to tell the problem third. Sin C is equal to, here I am taking by C value. Before questions, one time taken x, second time theta, third time C. Any letter you have to use. A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, theta. Those are all angles. Sin C is equal to 15 by 17. Then find cos C. Here also you have to use the identity rule. Based on sin and cos, you know one condition, that is from first identity rule. What is the first identity rule? Sin square C plus cos square C is equal to 1. Rewrite this. Cos square C is equal to 1 minus sin square C. 1 minus sin square C. Sin C value you have to substitute. 15 by 17 whole square. 1 as it is I am writing. 15 whole square means 225. 17 whole square means 289. Left side is as cos square x. Take LCM. 289 1 the 289 minus 225 by 289. 289 minus 225 is exactly equal to 64. 64 by 289. Then cos square c is equal to, rewrite this one, 8 whole square by 17 whole square. For both you have to use forward. 8 by 7 whole square you can write. Square square get cancelled. Cos c is equal to 8 by 7. So these three are the identity rules. From the identity rules only we got the solutions. Then finally you will get cos c is equal to 8 by 17. This is the final answer. And next I have to go to fourth problem. If capital A, capital B, capital C are interior angles of triangle ABC. ABC are, he is saying that interior angles of triangle ABC. Then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. That means sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2 means sin of angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. That you have to prove. For proving of this, I have taken the first in solution part. In triangle ABC, you know that sum of the three angles of triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Both sides you have to divide by 2. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. Separately you have to, angle A by 2 I am taken separately. Angle B and angle C is separate. Why is that? Angle A by 2 plus angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. You have to say it as 90. Angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to, left side A by 2 value you have to bring it to right side. Then 90 degrees minus angle A by 2. He is asking the sign. You have to link with sign. So I am linking with sign both sides. Sin of B plus C by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus A by 2. You know already in conditions, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. And in place of theta, here it is given A by 2. That's why I am writing cos A by 2. Therefore, finally, sin angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to cos angle A by 2. Without angles I am writing, then you will get the solution. Sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This is the way how to solve the problem. Okay, these are very, very important sum for 2 marks. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon for a new video update.